Welcome to Exam Sale. This script walks you through the syllabus for the Juniper service provider routing and switching professional exam so you know what to study and why. This exam covers 7 domains with precise weightings that guide your study time. OSPF is 18%, ISIS is 18%, BGP is 15%, MPLS is 15%, class of service is 12%, IP multicast is 12%, and Layer 3 VPNs are 10%. Most topics are assessed with conceptual and scenario-based items, and the overall difficulty ranges from medium to hard. OSPF at 18% focuses on advanced configuration, troubleshooting, and optimization of OSPF2 and OSPF3 within service provider networks. You will learn OSPF protocol fundamentals, adjacency requirements and the state machine, and how LSAs are generated and flooded. Expect deep coverage of SPF execution, router types and virtual link use cases, plus authentication mechanisms and multi-area design including stub, NSSA, summarization, external route handling, BFD and graceful restart. ISIS is also 18% and targets implementation and maintenance in large multi-level service provider environments. You will study ISIS PDU types, NET addressing, and Level 1 and Level 2 adjacency formation including diselection. The syllabus covers ISIS metrics and wide metrics, TLV architecture, route leaking between levels, summarization techniques, multi-topology support, authentication of PDUs and IPv6 operation. BGP is 15% and emphasizes scalable configurations, attribute manipulation, and complex policy for Internet routing. You will master the BGP path selection algorithm and learn to manipulate next hop, local preference, as path, MED, community attributes, weight and origin. The domain also covers route reflector and confederation design, use of regular expressions in policies, peer groups and templates, and mitigation techniques such as dampening. MPLS is 15% and covers signaling protocols and traffic engineering strategies for service provider networks. You will learn LDP operation, RSVPTE signaling and object management, label mapping modes, CSPF, and behaviors like PHP and explicit null. The domain also addresses traffic engineering concepts such as admin groups and link coloring, LSP protection and fast reroute, link versus node protection, SRLGs, bandwidth reservations and LDP over RSP tunneling. Class of service is 12% and focuses on traffic prioritization and congestion management in differentiated services environments. You will study classification and marking including behavior aggregate and multi-field rules, forwarding classes, DSCP and 802.1p bits, MPLS EXP classification, and rewrite rules. The queuing and scheduling portion covers scheduler maps, priority queuing, round-robin scheduling, red, tail drop, policing, shaping and hierarchical cost concepts. IP multicast is 12% and concentrates on multicast routing protocol configuration and interdomain delivery. You will learn IGMP2 and IGMP3 host signaling, PIM sparse mode operation, RP election and discovery, and source-specific multicast benefits. The syllabus also includes RPF check mechanics, PIM join and prune behavior, MSDP, Anycast RP, MBGP for multicast, multicast scoping and boundary control, and troubleshooting practices. Layer 3 VPNs are 10% and cover the design and implementation of MPLS-based Layer 3 virtual private networks. You will master VRF tables, route distinguishers and route targets, MPBGP for VPN v4, and PACE routing options including label stacking. Advanced topics include hub and spoke and centralized service topologies, multi-as VPN options, carrier of carriers basics, route target filtering and providing internet access within a VPN context. Plan roughly 150 hours of study based on the domain estimates, focusing extra time on OSPF and ISIS since they each weigh 18%. Practice lab configurations and scenario-based troubleshooting until you can configure and debug each technology confidently. Good luck and use this syllabus map to prioritize hands-on practice and targeted review.